What's going on, everyone? Gilman with Wellthy Stocks, back with another video today, taking a look at BIONANO GENOMICS, ticker symbol BNGO. We'll take a look at how the stock's been trading, key levels of support and resistance that we are looking at moving into the future, and based on that, what we think BIONANO could do. So real quick, if you enjoy videos like this, hit that like button down below, subscribe to my channel if you are new, comment down below what your thoughts on BIONANO are, and I'd love to chat with you guys down there. Let me hit record, we'll get right into it, but before that, if you guys haven't yet and you want to, I made a Patreon recently, you can sign up for that. I'll share other trade ideas that I see, as well as, option plays that I'm entering. So if you're interested in that, link in the description, you can sign up there. And then if you are wondering what I'm using here in the videos, I'm using Webull. You can buy stocks here, options here for free. If you're interested in that, I put a referral link down in the description as well. If you use that, we both get some free shares. So make sure to check that out. Now let's get right into the video. So I made a video on this actually over the weekend, and we are up already 5% on the first day after that video and another percent in the after hours. So wanted to make a quick video to update you guys. I talked about a pattern, whether that's still valid. I also wanted to talk about some news that came out. Well, not really news, it's more of a price target upgrade, but let's take a look at that real quick. Then we'll take a look at how the stock traded today. So BIONANO stock gets a new street high price target, right? And what is that? So Oppenheimer analyst believes that technical developments could lead to reduced cost of goods sold per genome, which could help turn the next gen platform gain deeper market penetration, right? So they're talking about kind of what it costs for BIONANO, and they're talking about the ability to reduce that cost, which makes BIONANO more profitable, but also allows them to reduce their costs to be more widely available to different kind of parts. So let's take a look at what they said. So they raised their price target up from $1.50 to $15, which $15 implies about a $3.5 upside. So not too bad there, 29% upside. So that's great news for BIONANO. I do think that they have great potential, right? They think that by 2026, 3 years into the launch of a next generation platform, offering up to 80% reduction in per genome disposable cost, they can deliver revenue of $353 million. And they're talking about this market, the total addressable market for cytogenetics can reach more than $1.5 billion, and BIONANO is in a great position to take advantage of that, right? So now let's take a look at how we traded today. So we ended the day kind of here in the low 11s, and then right out of the gate pushed up, right, came back to VWAP and then pushed up again, setting a high of 1194 for the day, and then we kind of sold off, flattened into the close. Why is this number important? Why is the top end of this important? Well, let's take a look at our drawing and go to our daily chart, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about, right? So we drew this pattern out on the video that I did over the weekend, and what we see here is, I was drawing this this support line, right? This flat horizontal line acts as a really good support, and this line coming down acts as a top resistance. And what that pretty much does is it puts the stock in a it puts the stock in a smaller trading range over time. And at the end of this range, we could see a breakout, hopefully to the upside. It doesn't have to go to the upside, but we're hoping that it does. Now, BIONANO was kind of here, right? We had a lot of run room to both sides. So when it was running up, that level was was what I was watching, and it perfectly rejected off of that level, which gives us great news that this pattern is still valid, and BIONANO could keep trading within this as we sort of move here, right? So what I think could happen is we could start maybe going sideways or a little bit down in the next couple of days before we get to the end of this breakout, and then we'll start to break out. But at the same time, it's really important, like today when we were hitting up against the top end of this, to really monitor that top end of this this line coming down, right? If we start to go above that and we have the volume and we have the momentum, we could very easily break out and make a push towards this all-time high, right? It doesn't have to wait until this. It's not that predictable. So watching this kind of high 1170s to see if we could see a little bit of a breakout. If we can break above that, otherwise, you know, we might keep getting rejected, trading kind of sideways until we get to the end here and push up. The other thing that I want to share with you guys is how strong BioNano has been over time. If you take a look here, right, with this nice run up, it's always come back to the 8 EMA and found good support there, and we are back at that 8 EMA today. Well, not today, but we are back at that 8 EMA closing right above it. So we could pull back the 8 EMAs in the low 11s, 1117, which would both work well with our pattern and work well with what it's done with the 8 EMA so far. So watching for that pullback. But again, if it keeps at the high 11s and doesn't look like it wants to return and gets enough volume and momentum, it could start breaking through as well. So be on the lookout for that. As always, you know, hope you guys found this video helpful. If you want to sign up for my Patreon, I'll be dropping kind of my option plays on there. I don't do like, you know, crazy scary ones. I like to look for longer term growth. So I'll be dropping those on there. And then if you want to sign up for Webull, the link will be in the description. In my previous BioNano video, I shared a way you could use cash secured puts to get paid to kind of maybe buy the stock at $10 if that's something that you're wanting to do. Maybe you don't want to pay the 11.5, but you want to pay 10. So you could essentially make a little money if it doesn't go to 10 rather than just sitting there waiting for it to come down to 10 using cash secured puts. So check out my video from BioNano yesterday on Sunday, February 7th, and you can see kind of a play that I outlined there as well. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later for another video. Let's remember to be a bit better every single day, and until next time.